Adrian, Stoica, and Hurricane. Thank you, Sophia. Howie, what did you think of that?
Oh, I think you can hear it in the audience. That was bow wow.
I mean, what is not to love? I mean, Hurricane is adorable, the smartest dog I've ever seen. This whole thing was adorable.
Sophia, you saw it with your own eyes.
Well, if you need me any other time to be part of your act, you know where to find me.
Simon, you gotta love this.
First of all, I'm so sorry about you losing your doggy, because I know how that feels like. It's heartbreaking.
Yeah.
However, what we just saw just now, I think was incredible.